Hi, I am Rubin. I am looking for a new home.
Hello, Rubin. I'm Sarah, the leasing agent. Welcome to Sunny Gardens.
It looks nice from the outside. Is the neighborhood safe?
Very safe. We have security cameras and a locked gate.
Good to know. Let's see the apartment.
Follow me. This is Unit 4B. It is a one-bedroom apartment.
Wow, it's very bright. I love the windows.
Yes, they are south-facing windows. You get a lot of sunlight.
Sunlight is great, but is it noisy? Are the walls thin?
These are thick, concrete walls. You won't hear your neighbors singing in the shower.
That's important. I like my peace and quiet.
Take a look at the kitchen. We have brand new appliances.
A dishwasher and a microwave. Does the fridge have an ice maker?
Yes, it does. Everything is included.
Okay, the kitchen is perfect. Now, let's talk about the money.
The rent is $1,500 a month.
1,500? Does that include utilities?
It includes water and trash, but you have to pay for electricity and gas.
Electricity and gas. How much is that usually?
It depends on your usage. Usually, it's about $100 a month.
And what about internet? I need fast Wi-Fi for my YouTube channel.
The building is pre-wired for fiber internet. You just need to call the company.
Okay, is there a parking fee? I have a small car.
Yes, a reserved parking spot is $50 a month.
$50 for parking? Can I park on the street for free?
You can, but it is very hard to find a spot at night.
I see. So, the real price is not 1,500, it's more like 1,700.
You're very smart, Reuben. You always have to calculate the total cost.
Can I have a dog? My brother has a big golden retriever.
We are a pet-friendly building, but there are rules.
What kind of rules?
First, there's a pet deposit. It is $300.
$300? Do I get that money back?
Yes, if the dog does not damage the carpet.
And is there a pet rent?
Yes, it is $25 a month per pet.
The dog pays rent too? This is crazy.
Welcome to the U.S. Reuben, almost every apartment has pet rent.
Okay. What about smoking? I don't smoke, but I hate the smell.
This is a smoke-free building. No smoking inside or on the balcony.
That is excellent. I like fresh air.
Also, we have a quiet hours policy. No loud music after 10 p.m.
No problem. I sleep early anyway. What happens if the toilet breaks or the AC stops working?
We have 24-hour maintenance.
Does it cost money to fix things?
No. If it is normal wear and tear, it is free.
Wear and tear. What is that?
It means things getting old because you use them every day.
But if I break the window with a ball, I have to pay.
Exactly. You pay for accidents. We pay for old pipes.
Got it. Now, how long is the lease?
It is a 12-month lease. 1 full year.
What if I want to leave after 6 months?
That is called breaking the lease. You will have to pay a penalty.
A penalty. How much?
Usually 2 months of rent.
$3,000 to leave early? I'd better stay for the whole year.
Yes, it is better to be sure before you sign.
Okay, I like it. I want to apply. What is the next step?
You need to fill out an application form.
Do I need to show my income?
Yes, we need your pay stubs from the last 3 months.
Pay stubs. You mean the papers from my job that show my salary?
Precisely. You need to earn 3 times the rent.
3 times, so I need to earn $4,500 a month?
Yes, that is the standard requirement.
Another fee. Fees.
I know. But if your credit is good, you only pay a small security deposit.
What if my credit is bad?
Then you might need a co-signer.
A cosigner? Is that someone who promises to pay if I can't?
Yes, usually a parent or a close friend.
I see. Well, my credit is okay. Let's start the paperwork. Thank you for watching more slow English video. Please subscribe and like this video.